This question is a block of 4 kg is on a surface, mu s is 0.2 and the external force applied is 6 Newton. We will have to find the friction and the acceleration. Now we know that body will only move if the external force that is being applied on the body exceeds the maximum static friction, that is the F limiting friction, or else it won't move. So we will have to find out the F limiting, because Fs is variable. We cannot have any proper value of Fs. It is self-adjusting. So FBD for this would be N, normal reaction, 4G, external force 6N. Whether this is gonna be Fs or Fk, we don't know, because if the body moves, then it won't be Fs anymore, right? So I have just crossed this part. So F limiting will be mu s into N, 0.2 into 40, that is 8 Newton. Okay, so maximum static friction is 8N, right? So therefore the body won't move. Now Fs will not be equal to 8N because it is self-adjusting. Remember, I told you this is the maximum static friction. This is the limit, 8N. The moment you apply a force of 8.1 or 8.02, then the body starts moving. So this is the maximum limiting friction, which means that if you apply an force up to 8 Newton, the body will not move and it will adjust itself by applying equal and opposite force. So here the external force is 6 Newton. So Fs is self-adjusting. Obviously, if you apply 6 Newton force, the body will not move backwards, right? In the opposite direction. It will automatically adjust itself to 6 Newton. So this is Fs. And since the body doesn't move, there will be no acceleration.